Hello kids, I'm Benny. Welcome to Alex Kids TV. Let's have fun learning shapes. This is a circle. A circle is round and round. Let's count the sides. 0 sides. Circles are smooth all around. Can you spot the circle shape? Yes, that's the circle. Great job! Up next, triangle. This is a triangle. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Can you spot the triangle shape? Yes, that's the triangle. Great job! Up next, square. This is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 equal sides. All sides are the same. Can you spot the square shape? Yes, that's the square. Great job! Up next is rectangle. This is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Too long, too short. Can you spot the rectangle shape? Yes, that's the rectangle. Great job! Up next is a diamond. You can also call it rhombus. This is a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. A diamond has 4 slanted sides. Can you spot the diamond shape? Yes, that's the diamond. Great job! Up next, oval. This is an oval. It looks like a stretched circle. No sides, just a smooth curve. Can you spot the oval shape? Yes, that's the oval. Great job! Up next, star. This is a star. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star has 5 points. Can you spot the star shape? Yes, that's the star. Great job! Up next, heart. This is a heart. A heart shows love. No sides, just lovely curves. Can you spot the heart shape? Yes, that's the heart. Great job! Up next, pentagon. This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 sides. Can you spot the pentagon shape? Yes, that's the pentagon. Great job! Up next, cylinder. This is a cylinder. It's a 3D shape. It has 2 flat circles and 1 curved side. Can you spot the cylinder shape? Yes, that's the cylinder. Great job! You did amazing, friends! Great job learning shapes with Benny Bunny. See you next time!
Subscribe for more fun kids songs and adventures right here on Alex Kids TV. Don't forget to like and hit the bell for new episodes.